Hello Huskies, this is Miss Mavity, and this is the instructions video for Tuesday, January 12th. We're looking at my template Google Classroom as an example, so yours might look a tiny bit different. But once you get to our class on Tuesday, whether you are in person or virtual, you will go to the Classwork tab, and then you'll go to the Week 1 topic, and we want the topic that says Tuesday, January 12th. You'll see there are two attachments. One of them we will use in our work session. It is the Bitmoji Classroom that we will be talking about in a few minutes. But go ahead and click first on the notes for Tuesday. If you have already done Monday's class, this first page will look familiar. It should be our normal 5-question check-in. We'll start off by saying our names. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Me llamo, and then you'll type in the blank. ¿Qué día es hoy? What day of the week is today? Since ayer, yesterday, was Monday, lunes. Hoy es martes. Today is Tuesday. And for our date, ¿cuál es la fecha? If yesterday was el 11, the 11th, hoy es el 12. Today is the 12th. Y estamos en enero. We are still in January. You will highlight whatever weather you're experiencing today, whether it is llueve, whether it is hace frío, whether you think it's hace calor, and then however you are doing today. Any of those options works. They're your emotions and they are valid. Then we will have our 5 questions with Kahoot. And after that, you will see that we're going to do a Bitmoji Classroom scavenger hunt. So at this point, you'll see that on page 2, we have a lot of prompts or instructions. With it, we'll be looking at the Bitmoji Classroom, which is attached to the instructions for Tuesday as well. And once it loads, you'll see that welcome to Spanish class with Miss Mavity, that's me. Every picture on the page has a link that'll tell you a little bit more about Spanish or about our class or about me as your teacher, so you'll be able to explore. The first question is going to ask you to click on the Bitmoji of me holding a coffee mug, and it will ask you to take a look at the attached Google Slides that it links to down here, and to tell one interesting thing or one new fact that you learned about your teacher. The next one will ask you to take a look at the flag of Spain, which is up here, and you'll see that it'll take you to a website called SpanishDict, like dictionary.com, which is an excellent translation resource, as well as just a helpful tool for learning any kind of Spanish grammar. And then you'll click on the flag, that is the flag of Colombia, so right under the flag of Spain, and it's going to take you to a website of my favorite city in the whole world, and then you'll answer a few questions about that. Then I'm asking you to click on the red and white poster. So if I come back, here we go. Why learn Spanish? You'll see that it's a video to give us a few different reasons on why learning another language, and Spanish in particular, can help us. You'll be asked to identify the 2 colleges or the 2 universities that I attended so that I could become a Spanish teacher. And then you will find the poster of myself and my dog, and you will check out the link that takes you to and try to brainstorm how that could be useful for learning Spanish. Then I'll ask you to find the poster with a blue and yellow llama. Here we go. And it should take you to join our Quizlet classroom. Quizlet is a digital flashcard platform, and we will use it quite a lot in Spanish. And then I'll ask you to take a look at the big yellow poster on the Bitmoji bulletin board and to identify a career from that list that looks interesting to you and that would let you use some Spanish. And then I'll ask you to take a look at the big blue map on this side of the classroom and to tell me a little bit about what you've learned with these Spanish-speaking countries. Then you'll take a look at the poster of my dog Bear and tell me about the playlist and how that could possibly be useful to you while learning Spanish. And then you'll click on the star and pick out the benefit from learning another language that is most interesting or exciting to you. I hope that you'll have a wonderful day.